Hi everyone, welcome to Raaonline. I am Dr. N. Ashok Vishwanath, a consultant clinical microbiologist. So today we are going to discuss about multiple choice question which is pertaining to the free living amoeba. You all know, free living amoeba is going to infect the central nervous system and going to cause variety of infection and illness. So we will discuss about a few multiple choice question which have been asked in the previous NEET PG question papers, and we also will discuss about the case oriented question answer that can be asked in the university examination. So let us go into the multiple choice question. So multiple choice question number 1. So here we have been provided with the case. So here there is going to be a 32-year-old male who is an contact lens user, and he developed corneal ulcer, and clinical microbiological examination revealed the following finding. And what is the probable etiology? So here there is going to be a 32-year-old male, and here we have a clue that it's a contact lens user, and he also developed a corneal ulcer and clinical microbiological examination. So this is the picture which is going to be the clinical microbiological picture and probable etiology. So here we are able to see a corneal ulcer, and this is the clinical microbiological investigation. So here we are able to see an parasite, and we are able to see the acanthopodia. So this is the acanthopodia. So this is going to be the trophocyte of acanthamoeba, and this is going to be the double-walled cyst. So here you are able to see the outer wrinkled ectocyst and inner endocyst. So there is going to be a double-walled cyst. So now you know which is the pathogen which is going to have the acanthopodia, and you also know about the particular organism which is going to exhibit an cystic form which is characterized by the double-walled cyst. So whenever we are going to have a double-walled cyst, that is an outer wrinkled ectocyst, and there is going to be an inner endocyst, and there is also going to be the trophocyte which is going to have knob-like projections called acanthopodia. So this particular image is going to have an keratitis which is going to be caused by the acanthamoeba species. So the correct option is acanthamoeba species. So again herpes simplex, it is a virus which is not usually associated with the contact lens use. And Naegleria fowleri, they don't cause this particular condition, they are going to cause something called primary amoebic meningoencephalitis. So this is going to cause primary amoebic meningoencephalitis. And Naegleria fowleri, it is going to cause something called primary amoebic meningoencephalitis. And Entamoeba histolytica, this particular parasite is going to cause something called amoebic liver infection or intestinal amoebiasis. So they are going to cause amoebiasis intestinal and extraintestinal amoebiasis. The correct option here is going to be the acanthamoeba, which is characterized by the keratitis and also characterized by the presence of trophocyte and the cyst form. On the trophocyte, they are going to have that spike-like projections called acanthopodia, and the cyst, again there is going to be a double-walled cyst, the outer wrinkled ectocyst, and there is going to be the inner endocyst. So both of them contribute the double-walled cyst. So this particular cystic and trophocyte is seen in acanthamoeba species. So this is going to be an acanthamoeba keratitis. So it's actually in case of acanthamoeba keratitis, which is caused by acanthamoeba species.